Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome my channel, Hello Crafter. So viewers, today we're going to show you very amazing and creative ideas of pop stick creation. These are very amazing style and don't throw away after I finish your ice cream pop sticks. Wash it, clean it and make your art, make your inner artist come out. So viewers, stay tuned till the end, leave your comment in the comment section and show your name in the comment section. I will try to give you a shout out. So viewers, have a very nice and beautiful journey. Watch till the end for best designs and ideas for house, tiny house and tips. Very interesting and gorgeous designs these are. So with pop stick, made with pop stick paper, and you take best ideas. So if you want to take best ideas, watch till the end. I will give you tips and beautiful advices in this video.
Ideas.
So stay tuned. Let's begin the video.
You often throw away finishing your favorite ice cream. Can actually be transformed into fun, useful and beautiful projects. Whether you are a student, a parent looking for activities for your kids, a teacher, or just someone who enjoys DIY projects, this guide is for you. So grab a bunch of clean pop sticks, some glue and your imagination. Let's begin. What do you want to make? You can get best ideas from this video. You can make house or chair, tables and wall hanging decoration pieces. They are cheap and easily available. You can either recycle sticks or buy a pack from any stationery or craft store. They are lightweight and safe for kids. No sharp edges or complicated tools required. There are versatile way of you can make what you want to make with just sticks. You can get best ideas and beautiful ideas from this video. You can take access for many more designs. So you can add some extra materials like paint, glitter or paper. You can make anything from a tiny bookmark to a jewelry box or a home. Finally, they are a great way to encourage creativity and patience. Ice cream stick crafts are more than just fun. They also help develop fine motor skills in children, encourage problem solving and even promote recycling, which is necessary for our art. Before we start crafting, let's quickly go through the basic material you will need. Ice cream sticks, plain or colored. Glue, hot glue works best, but school glue is fine for kids. A pair of scissors, acrylic paints or markers, whatever you have. Glitter sequins, beads or stickers and beads for decoration. Small items like paper, cardboard or fabric to add detail. That's it. With just these basics, you can create dozens of projects. Let's start with a few easy projects. You can make, first of all, we start bookmark or mini photo frame. Mini photo frame, place 4 sticks in a square shape and glue the corners. Add a small piece of cardboard at the back to hold your picture. You can decorate picture, you can decorate the frame with beads or multicolor alphabets. You can make some beautiful chords, buttons or even tiny shells. You can make, you can start with the simple things. You can make pencil holders, stand sticks vertically in a circle around an empty tin can. Glue them in place and paint them. You have got yourself a colorful desk organizer. These projects are perfect for beginners and can be finished in 10-15 minutes. Creative crafts for kids 2 minutes. Now let's look at same fun projects kids will love. Animated characters. Glue 2 or 3 sticks together and paint them as cartoon character animals or superheroes. Add googly eyes to make them more playful. Mini house. If you want to make mini house, build walls and roofs by stacking sticks like Lego bricks. Kids can decorate them with paint or colored paper. Little boat. Little boats. Glue sticks side by side. Attach a triangle paper sail and watch it float in water. These activities not only keep children busy but also let them use their imagination freely. Advanced craft for teen and adults. If you want to take things a step further, here are some creative ideas. You can make jewelry box, coaster, wall art, mini easel. Arrange sticks in geometric shape. If you want to make wall art, arrange sticks in geometric shapes like hexagon and triangle, then mount them on a wall. Paint them in metallic or pastel shades for a stylish look. Mini easel. With just 3 sticks, you can create a tiny stand to display a small photo or note card, perfect for gifting. These projects take more time but look professional and are great for home decor. Before we wrap up, there are some useful tips. Always make sure sticks are clean and smooth. Sand down rough edges if needed. For younger kids, stick to non-toxic glue and paints. Hot glue works faster for bigger projects, but handle it carefully to avoid burns. Plan your design or paper before you start gluing. So it saves time and mistakes. Don't be afraid to experiment. Mix popsicle sticks with fabric, paper, or even clay for unique creations. Let's start your creativity. So there you have it, a full guide to ice cream sticks craft. For simple bookmarks to advanced jewelry boxes, the possibilities are endless. All it takes is a little creativity, some patience, and a pile of sticks. These crafts are wonderful for a school project, DIY gifts, home decors, or just relaxing hobby. Time plus it's a great way to recycle and make something useful for everyday items. Next time you finish an ice cream, don't throw away the sticks, wash